If you sell items that you manufacture or build yourself, such as bicycles or necklaces, you can create a built product in Ecomdash to help you keep track of your finished products as well as the materials used to create them. In this short video, we'll show you how it's done. To begin, navigate to Products, All Products. Select Add New, Built Product. Give your product a name and SKU number, and then click Create. From there, select Manage Materials, Add New Material to add the necessary components to your built product. Please note that these materials must already exist as products in Ecomdash. Then, select your materials and click Add to Built Product. Specify the quantity build requires for each component product. For example, if you're selling a necklace, one of the components would be a chain, and the quantity build requires would be 1. When you're finished adding your materials and filling out the quantity build requires, select Actions, Save.